notice anything new? These are brand new. They're from Firmoo. Such a sweet company to reach out for me and gift me these really cute glasses that I picked out. And I picked the cat eyes for my face shape. I have a squared face shape and I think they fit pretty well and they look really cute, and I like that I can bend the nose pads. So I'm gonna wear these today. Cat hair not included, of course. This is how they look. How do people film without the glare on the glasses? Like, what? And these are my Chanel glasses. And the thing about these is that they don't have the movable nose pads. So I have to put on the sticky parts and they still move. So this would be a nice change, and see if they stay on my nose bridge. And they have sunglasses. They have a lot of selection, and I have a 50% code down below. So if you guys are interested, please check them out, and I included all the links below. And thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more.